For semen analysis, a sterile container which is labeled with the name and OP number is given to the patient, that is the husband or the donor. The container is non-gametotoxic and sterile and is specifically meant to collect only the semen. You can see the labeled container. The time of collection is noted and sample is identified, and once the sample is kept and identified, it's kept for liquefaction in the incubator for up to 20 minutes or even up to 1 hour. Liquefaction is attained, that is, the sample from semi-fluid state changes to liquid state. Secondly, viscosity is checked. A highly viscous sample does not fall drop-wise from micropipette compared to normal sample. In that case, it's mechanically mixed by using syringe. The sample is mixed thoroughly through a 16 gauge needle and run through 5 or 6 times, taking care not to introduce air into it. This is mechanical syringing. Next, the volume is then noted with the serological pipette. The next stage is analysis of the sample. Before proceeding with the analysis, the sample is thoroughly mixed. After that, count or concentration is calculated using a Mackler chamber. You can use any type of counting chambers, that Mackler's is the most popular one in the world. A drop of semen sample is placed on Mackler's chamber and viewed under 20x objective. The Mackler chamber has grids and at least 200 grids have to be counted and the mean results noted. A trained eye can do the counting as first count the immotile, then the slow progressive ones, and then the rapid progressive ones. Or you can go the other way around, going through the progressive ones first, then the non-progressive ones, and the last immotile ones. Next, for determining motility, 2 drops of sample is placed on a clean glass slide and cover slip is placed over it and viewed under 40x objective. 2 separate drops are checked and the mean is calculated. The sperm exhibits 3 kinds of motility. Rapid, it shows motility with rapid forward progression. Non-motile, it has motility with slow forward progression or vibratory progression rather than forward progression. Immotile, which are not motile at all. For morphology, a pre-identified slide is used and a drop of semen sample is smeared and kept for air drying. A thin smear is made. morphology, the smear is sent through different media. The initial smear is kept in ethyl alcohol for 1 hour. The jars with the different media are shown. The air dried smear is first introduced into ethyl alcohol and kept for 1 hour. Then the slide is transferred to stain 1, that is hematoxylin, and kept for 8 minutes. This is washed under tap water and again dipped in ethyl alcohol. Next, slide is kept in stain 2, that is orange G6, for 3 minutes and again washed under tap water and dipped again in ethyl alcohol. Then the slide is kept in stain 3, that is eosin 36, for 1 minute and again washed under tap water and dipped in ethyl alcohol. At last, it's kept in xylene for 1 hour and taken out and observed under oil immersion objective. This is oil being applied on a drop and viewed under the microscope. The results are noted down. Head. Normal head are seen as oval and smooth, whereas round, pyriform and amorphous head are abnormal. Mid-piece. Normal mid-piece is straight and slightly thicker than the tail. Tail, single, unbroken, straight, without coils are considered as normal tail. All others are considered defective. You can interpret the data in various criteria. We give our results in WHO criteria modified 5th edition.